Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix slow WIX website. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having a very slow time loading your website here, or whenever you're accessing your website, it has a very slow loading time. There are going to be a few things that you need to know here and you need to understand. Now, the thing with how websites load up here, this actually depends on the assets that you add to it. That includes images, videos, any kind of assets here. So, for example, if you're using high quality images here, like let's just say like around 4K resolution images, then in this case, the image itself would load really slow, and that would affect the speed of your website. So in that case, I would recommend you to try compressing your image here. So you could actually find different tools out there. So you go to Google here, just type in compress image. You can find your own tool here that you love. So there are going to be a lot, like I love IMG. So you can compress JPEGs, PNGs, SVGs, and GIFs as well in here. But yeah, so go ahead and compress your images here, and same goes for videos that you're adding here. So if your video is like our 4K resolution as well, and in this case, this will also affect the quality of your video. So maybe limit this to 1080p if you can, and see if that actually improves the performance of your website. Now, another thing that you need to take note here is whenever you add different elements here, like for example, if you add elements here, you have the option to add text, images, buttons, strips, decorative box, and a lot more. So it's okay to add different elements here, but make sure that you're not adding too much elements here. So boxes and different options here are like boxes and like list doesn't like necessarily take a lot of resources for your website. But if you add like so many images here, like for example in one section you add like 20 images all at once, well in this case I would suggest you to make sure you just compile it in one image instead of just adding 20 images individually. This will actually help you in the long run because your website doesn't have to load those images individually. So if you compile them by using like tools like Canva, this will be a lot helpful for you. So in this case, maybe compile those images. Another thing that you need to take in mind here is whenever you're adding like embed code. So we all know that not all functionalities are available here on Wix. So adding certain widgets, certain functionalities in your website is something good. But then again, make sure to limit this to 1 or 2 embeds for each page. So if you can limit this to 1 only, you could go ahead and do that. You can try 3, but make sure it does not affect the speed of your website in that regard. But yeah. So those are the things that you need to check here. You could do to speed up your website. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video is able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.